unveiling quantum mysteries with Schrödinger's cat experiment. Imagine a cat in a sealed box. This isn't just any ordinary box, but a thought experiment devised by physicist Erwin Schrödinger. This peculiar scenario challenges our understanding of quantum mechanics. Inside the box lies a vial of poison, which can be released by the decay of a radioactive atom. The atom's decay is entirely random, governed by the principles of quantum mechanics. Until the box is opened, according to quantum theory, the atom can be both decayed and not decayed simultaneously. This creates a paradox. Is the cat alive or dead? Maybe both? Schrödinger's cat illustrates the concept of superposition. In the realm of quantum mechanics, particles can exist in multiple states at once. Only when observed do they collapse into a single state. This raises a profound question. Does the act of observation determine reality? In the tiny world of quantum particles, things behave very differently from our everyday experiences. While Schrödinger's thought experiment seems abstract, it touches on real phenomena. Quantum mechanics governs the behavior of particles at the atomic and subatomic levels, influencing technology and research. For instance, quantum superposition enables advancements in quantum computing. Unlike classical bits, quantum bits or qubits can represent multiple states simultaneously, vastly increasing computational power. Schrödinger's paradox also impacts quantum encryption methods, ensuring highly secure communication. The unpredictable nature of quantum particles makes eavesdropping virtually impossible. Despite its strangeness, the cat experiment continues to inspire debates and research. It challenges our perceptions of reality, blending physics with philosophy and questioning the nature of existence itself. In daily life, quantum mechanics remains largely invisible, yet its principles are foundational to modern technologies, from semiconductors to lasers, and even medical imaging techniques like MRI. Researchers are still uncovering the mysteries of quantum mechanics. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the universe's fundamental workings, driven by curiosity and the quest for knowledge. Schrödinger's cat may be just a thought experiment, but its implications are profound. It beckons us to explore deeper into realms where intuition falters, and the boundaries of science are continually pushed. In the end, the cat in the box symbolizes the mysteries we have yet to unravel. It invites us to open the box, to observe, and to discover the truths hidden within the quantum world. Join us on this journey through quantum mechanics. Together, we'll explore the fascinating, bewildering, and often paradoxical nature of reality, inspired by Schrödinger's enigmatic cat.